Yeah, arigato.
Okay.
That's where we're going.
Okay, Tango Argentino.
Yeah, we're going there.
Okay.
Tango Latino or like ritmos africanos. Which one do you like the most? Do you want more ritmos africanos or tango argentino or danzas latina?
Tango Argentino.
Why? Why? When we can have ritmos africanos.
Ritmos Africanos is also good.
Okay. I need to find where we have to go. If they still will let us, I'm not sure.
We are. How many minutes are we too late?
38.
Oh, it's okay, I think.
You think?
Yeah.
All right.
They can give us the escape room, but we have just 20 minutes time or something, you know?
Yeah, but I don't think we're gonna finish that in that fast.
With chat?
Do you think they're gonna help us?
Yeah, Chat, die muss uns helfen.
Yeah, this is where we're going, but we're gonna be late. Can you say the excuse why you were late?
What is
Just say
the-
traffic is sad.
Okay. Oh yeah, because of the...
Yeah, just be the man. Just try to take the bullet on yourself. And ask if they still have a spot.
It's closed.
Oh.
Maybe there? No, that's a...
I don't think so.
Why is it closed?
Maybe because they're like done?
But we booked?
Yeah, for 6:30, but we did not arrive at 6:30. And it's right now...
Is it for real that one?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
We booked, but the traffic was horrible with the event. Is it possible or not?
Yes, it's possible.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, you can put your belongings there.
Okay.
My English is not very
Yeah, mine also.
You can put it there.
Okay.
You keep the key.
Which key?
Yeah, the key is your pocket.
That is the key. Yeah. Do you want?
No, thank you.
It happens with the best of us.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go. Let's put it in.
I have nothing to put in.
What about the... that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need it for streaming. Okay.
It's your first time in Porto?
My first time.
Okay.
She lives here.
It's living?
Yeah, I leave here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
All right. We're ready.
We have walkie-talkie. If you need help, you need to press there for talk in the same time. Okay. If you need a
Light?
yes.
Okay.
You can put.
Yeah, on. Okay. There you go.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Can you give us the Wi-Fi? So, mein ganzer Rucksack fällt auseinander, Chat. Was ist passiert?
Okay, hold on.
Ist komplett cooked, Digga. Oh, scheiße.
Thank you. What's happening?
My cooler is not turned on.
Some technical pause.
Scheiße.
Please wait. But after the rent room, we have something super cool coming. So you gotta stay tuned. And if right now you can't, you can go, but you gotta come back in an hour. Because then it's when the fun gonna happen.
You need to charge.
Oh, it's okay.
But
Wonderland.
Yeah, we're ready.
Is it a movie?
Let's go.
It didn't. Oh my god, he's so young. Let's go.
Okay, Chat, ich hoffe, Internet geht jetzt bislang.
Huh?
I hope the internet just works because we're going down.
The internet in the rooms are working?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
What are we gonna do?
Now we're here.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
Okay. We're in the Wonderland Quest escape room.
There's a sleep mask.
Oh, you put it on.
Why?
Why not?
I have the camera.
Okay, I guess so. Then we don't need it. Let's go.
But we have to look now. There's a flower.
The fuck are we need it for?
Yeah, because it's the escape room. There are hidden things. We
Yeah,
collect them and
Yeah,
then...
but I don't think it's really like either. I don't think you really have to take it.
Oh.
Yeah, so you I think you have to put it back.
Okay.
Okay. So there's a little window, and here, see, there's some stuff written on the window.
It's
This
Japanese.
is it for real?
No.
Okay. Oh, bless. The fuck is out there with some space? Yonder.
Yonder.
Tea party. Wrong way.
Tea party. This way.
Look at that.
There's this way.
Yeah, no, but there is something. I don't know what that
Look at the
means.
box. Look at the box.
It says don't touch.
Oh.
Yeah, I guess so.
This way.
Which way?
rabbit hole.
Oh, where?
I don't know. They're saying rabbit hole.
Oh, it is the. Oh my God!
What?
We have to put the number.
Yeah.
Maybe the number is from the window, from the
Oh my God! From the mirror. Yeah.
Easy, bro. We're gonna make this so fucking fast. Or maybe do we have to count the roses and the amount of roses that are here? And like.
It's very random.
All right.
Or not?
I'm not sure, but let's see. You go first. You have camera. So, and what's the number here?
2, 3, 2.
Why is it 3 and not 8?
But what is this one?
It's 5 or 2. 5.
No, it's nothing.
What does that
No, I don't think it's a...
I think it is the number. Maybe we have to stand somehow.
Then when I turn off the light, you see anything? Just a question. You can talk. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe they can show them the number.
Yeah, but chat, bro, we have to think a little bit, you know?
Yeah, but we gotta ask them still. But I do think that it is number 4, 3, and 2 and 5.
4, 3, 2. Chat, was sagt ihr, was das für Nummern sind? Seht ihr das überhaupt? Ihr seht das, oder? 2. Hä? Ich check's nicht.
Wait, I forgot. 4.
I forgot also.
4. Then it was 3. 4 is 3.
Hey, here's the door.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh. 4, 3. I think it was 2. And then it was 5. 9. Digga, it's not working. It is not working.
Sieht man schlecht den Spiegel? Das dachte ich mir schon.
4.
They don't see the mirror clear.
They don't?
No, because of the lightning and some stuff.
4, 3, 2, 5. Or maybe 5, 2.
So I think we have to count the color flowers.
What is that?
That's a card.
That's exactly what I said.
No, you said...
I said we have to count the roses.
Yeah, but we have to count the roses with the colors.
Yeah, and here, for example, in the back, they tell you which color to use first.
Oh, but what is this?
I guess it's the cards that are up there.
No, I think it's green. Because it's green.
But I think that's not the roses, that's the cards. No?
What is this for music?
It is, we're in adventurous, right? Okay, so.
Or maybe we have
to... Wait, black is 2. Black is 2.
But maybe we have to... Oh, I see what... Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah, Digga. Yeah. Oh, number 5.
Yeah, but it's
Wait,
white.
it's also
white.
black.
No, it's white.
It's black, there's no white.
Bro, this is more white than black. Are you dumb?
Okay, show me the white one in here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're right.
Ja, helemaal. 5.
And 3, red.
Okay, stop.
3, what?
Okay, we have a problem.
Yeah, which one?
Is black the first or the last?
The last.
Okay.
Okay.
What was white?
I forgot already. The white is 5. The white is 5, it's the second. Then it's 3, it's red. 5, 3.
Can you do it? I don't know.
Oh my God.
I have no hands.
Okay. 5, 3.
Someone is asking how much did they pay for this shit? How much?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
We're gonna figure that out. But it's not working.
No, but we have to red and
Wait,
I know it.
You dumbass.
It's the mirror. Because it has no color. Oh my God, behind you. No, I'm trolling.
No, how did you rate the card? You started with black?
No, black is the last one.
Okay, so you started with that.
No, I started with nothing.
What do you mean by that?
This is the last number. This is the last number. This. Oh. No. Okay. Can you hold the camera?
Yes, sir.
With the backpack.
Okay, you just drop it here.
I'm cooking right now.
You are.
Okay.
Okay, so we have. It is number 3. It is number 5. It is number whatever the fuck is blank. 2.
Okay.
2.
No. Watch. You put 4 then, but it's 2. The last number is 2.
Yeah.
The white one was 5, right?
Yeah.
5. Then we did the red one.
Yeah.
What was the red one?
Don't remember.
I'm going to look.
Yeah, check it.
The red one is.
Yeah, there is in fact.
The red one is an S or S.
S or S.
No, the R, the
S-O-S.
A. But in the A, in the blackjack is 1 or 11.
How do you know?
It's
Look
1.
at the card above the labyrinth.
Look at the card above the labyrinth.
Yeah, we.
Oh, we looked at it already.
No, but which one?
I don't know. It's ace.
Oh, I have it.
What?
I have it.
What did you find?
It was nearby the mirror.
Did it work? Diga. You think you're the smartest in here or what? Did you put it right?
I don't know.
Maybe it's just the curved letters. Oh no. Okay, so the black one is 2. The white one is, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Hold here. The white one, the black one is 2. The white one
Maybe I turned the
is 5. The red one is 3. You hear?
Yeah.
Okay, and then no colors is, bro. What the fuck?
I changed the
7.
numbers, okay?
There's 7.
No, wait.
What?
No. I don't fucking
This
know.
is tough game.
But even if we have the right numbers, I don't fucking know how to open it.
1, 3, 5, 2.
1. What?
I'm not sure. Somebody in the chat said that.
What is he saying?
1, 3, 5, 2.
1, 1, 3, 5, 2.
Okay, let me just hello? Hello? How
What's
do
the number?
Look at the size of the cards.
The size? How the
Size?
what is the size is gonna do with it?
I don't know. Or maybe the biggest one is the first one, but then I don't know what the rest. Oh my god, we are so dumb.
We are
so
okay.
dumb. Oh my
What
god.
do you mean we're so dumb? Did you understand?
Yeah, I think.
Oh my god.
No, I don't
Let's
know.
cook.
But we are too focused about the rabbits.
Yeah.
Maybe the rabbits are just deco.
They're what?
Decoration. No?
Yeah, I think they're here just for decoration. So you really get up?
No.
Get up from your knees with the fucking idea that the rabbits are decoration?
No, but we are too focused on the rabbits. But maybe okay, hold it. Watch the size.
It's the size of like 3 heads.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Oh my god, I know it.
What do you know it?
I know it.
Okay, what?
Look it.
On the wall for
This
now.
is. Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, there's also a card.
I don't understand.
We didn't see this card.
I did.
Oh, that is.
I did.
Give me that small.
What is the okay? What does it have to do with the size though?
But the bigger one first number?
Or the smallest one, the first number?
No,
Why not?
because big is always better.
Check so. It is so easy. Let's try it this way then.
Okay, but
But
we have
number
two.
5 is the smallest one. But that's exactly like it's written on the page. We are not locking in at all. Judd is not helping at all.
The size from smallest to largest.
That's what I said, and you said from largest to smallest.
Okay, then maybe from smallest to largest.
Yeah.
Okay, then go there.
I'll tell you what the small.
Okay.
5. Put the 5. You put the 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. 5. Then does this count? I'm not sure. This is the biggest, though. I have no clue what that means. Anyways, and there is another one in here. Then 7.
6, 7.
Yeah, put 7.
6, 7.
That did, dumbass. Put 7.
Okay, I have
Then 3. How many numbers do we have to put?
5, 7, 3. Now the last one. Oh, it's open. Oh, the rabbit!
Oh my god!
I knew it.
How do you knew it?
It was decoration.
How's it? How's the decoration? Okay. Check
Okay,
so.
maybe. Okay, we have to put. Oh my god, it's one missing.
You only have you have 4.
No, it's. Oh my god! Look it! That's from the mirror.
Yes. I'm gonna scream to you right now in a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna scream to you which go first, okay? Then I don't know why would
But what I have to do?
come to me.
Huh?
Come to me.
Okay.
Okay. So we have here the first one. You see?
Yeah.
What do you have? Where are the rabbits?
Oh.
The rabbits. Forgot about the rabbits. So I don't know, guys. You can see? Can you?
I have the rabbits.
Okay. So
But what now?
I don't know. Just match to this somehow.
Okay. This first.
Yes.
This second.
That's right.
This one.
Where this? Okay.
This one.
Okay.
This is.
This is how we should put it.
But
Okay.
where we have to.
Install them?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe behind that thing. But it says something like, what is supposed to mean?
As Deus as.
I don't know what it means. What do you know?
I don't know.
All right. And now I know how to not do escape room. We have to be faster, Loki, but the chat doesn't help us at all. Like these.
Oh wait. Rabbit hole. Maybe.
We already opened it.
Yeah.
What the fuck? You know, you're like that time when Aisha Speed played escape room, and I don't know who that was. I think it was XQC.
Yeah, XQC long ball.
Yeah, the one that was trying to open the door that was already open. It was kind of funny,
But
though.
I already tried, but it's not.
You tried good enough?
Yeah. But where
Hold
do
that. Hold my beer, son. I'm gonna kick that door with my head.
I think we have to put
What?
the rabbits.
Where?
I don't know. I tried to open, but it was not open.
Okay. I guess we can't open this one.
Chat, was? Ey, das ist doch scheiße. Oh my god.
Can I have this?
Yeah.
So we have this rabbit. What for?
Give me.
What? You can't be so like. Oh, smart as fuck. They literally have the same colors. 1, 2. Cheksu?
Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I guess so.
3,
And 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4. But why is this one?
What's this for? Okay. That's tough.
Okay, I have one. No, I have no idea.
I have no idea. Maybe Chad knows.
Chat, was soll ich machen?
Flip them.
No, that's.
There is nothing underneath of them. Reflect the rabbits in the mirror.
Oh my. Oh my. In this direction.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, I will remember. First, it goes the green, red, white, and black.
You have in your head?
Am I what?
You have it in your.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Put the green one first.
Okay. Shit.
Green. What is that? 6.
It's 6.
6.
6, 7.
Okay.
Okay, green.
Green. Now the red. 8.
Oh.
6, 8.
No.
6, 8.
Okay, what now?
White.
Sure.
100%. Like 1,000%. I cannot
okay.
trust myself more than that.
I need light. No, it's. It's a 2.
It's 2?
Yeah, it's a 2.
682?
682 and
We are so smart. 8.
6.
How is that 6? Okay, it is.
It is a 6, I think.
I think it is. 6, 8,
6, 8,
8, 2, 6.
6, 8, 2, 6, but
Yeah.
what are we doing now?
I don't know. Oh,
there's another.
there is something over there. Tell me the name again. Here. Oh. I'm sorry.
All good.
Okay. So, once again, what's the number? 6.
6, 8, 2, something.
6, 8, 2, 6. Or 8, 2, 6.
6, 8, 2, 6.
Okay. That's not working.
But maybe we fucked up.
Where?
I think it was not white.
It's black
Stay
and
here,
white?
stay here. I
Okay.
just looked fast.
Okay. 2, 6. 6, 8, 2, 6. 6, 6, 2. No, it's not. 6. What is that?
No, it was 6, 6, 8, 2, 6.
6, 8, 2, 6. How did you open the other one?
Show me, I don't know, but let me go there.
6, 8, 2, 6. Yeah, let's go
6,
here.
2, 8, 2, 6, they say.
Bro, I have no clue. There's so many numbers. Okay. Is it working?
No.
6, 2, 8. Bro, insane. 6, 8, 2, 6.
Yeah, that was from the.
Ah, that's at the beginning.
Yeah.
Bitch! Sorry, this was not you. the number... order of the colors were wrong.
Oh. No.
I don't think they were wrong. I think they were pretty right. Well, we have to try.
But maybe.
Try 6, 2, 8, 6.
Yeah. I tried.
The first rabbit.
What? The first rabbit was green. The green rabbit was what? 3? What was the green rabbit? I'm not sure what she said.
6, 2, 8, 6.
That's a nice try. Okay, hold that here. She said something about rabbits. Did
Yeah.
someone understand?
No.
All right. Okay, just a second. Are you sure it was 6?
You can look, but
Okay, so this is... It is 6. It is 6. It is 6. Okay, first is 6. Second...
6, 7.
Second is 8.
Yeah, that's a clear 8.
It is 8, yeah.
Yeah.
Then, is there white first or...
White. White first.
You sure?
Yeah. But there I was not sure. Maybe it's a 5.
How is that 5?
Is it a 2?
I think it is.
Maybe it's a 5.
I think it's 2.
Yeah, but I tried with 5. 6.
Yes, it is 6, 8.
Read the number on the green rabbit.
She asked what the number on the green rabbit is. It's a 6.
It
Or
is
maybe
not,
a 9.
It is 5, you dumbass. How did you
What?
see that 6?
What?
It is 5.
No, it's not 5.
It is 5. It is 5, Hugo.
What? For real?
It is 5. How? It is 5.
5, 8.
Yes. 2, I guess. 2, 6. Wait, 5, 6. 5, yeah.
Sorry.
That is totally fine. Don't worry. We've got all the time in the world. But I really want to finish this quest in 30 minutes, so we have to rush.
Okay, there's a stick.
Okay.
Oh, I think we have
Can I take it? The stick?
Yeah. I think we have to put it in the door.
In the door?
Oh no, in the box.
What box?
The ass box.
What ass box?
This one, I show you.
Okay. Employee wants to
Yeah,
go.
put it in.
Okay. Arigato, senpai.
No, they hear us play.
Oh, that's true.
You have to... Yeah. I don't know.
I don't think so. I highly doubt that he's doing anything.
No, I think we have maybe here, maybe here.
Hugo!
Yeah.
I think I'm pressing something.
Go guys, the door open.
Oh, the door is open. Thought so. Try to pull it.
Oh, it's oh shit.
Oh my god, it's so dark and scary.
Oh my god, it's a
what?
slide.
Oh yes. Like, should I slide first or do you want to slide first? Let's I slide and then we decide if it's scary or not.
Okay.
I'm gonna be the man. Okay?
I have to set up.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So, okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, choose.
Tschüss.
Oh my god! Don't slide too hard, okay?
Okay, I let Chat slide before me.
Yeah, I'll catch them. Let me catch them.
Okay, haut rein.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Okay, 3.
2, 1. Are you alive? Are they alive?
I think, yeah.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, hold on.
Oh no.
Don't slide. Okay, slide now. Okay, that's not tough for you. It was tough for me. Damn. We have another code, but this code is actually big. Look how big that code is.
Oh.
Now the hard part. Imagine we didn't even start. Hugo!
Sorry. I think.
Hugensohn.
I think.
Fucking Hugensohn.
Oh no! No!
Oh no! It is. It's okay.
Oh shit!
Is that fixable?
Fuck!
Oh no!
Oh shit!
Oh shit! No, it's okay. It should be right. So, but we just put it back in.
Yeah, it's not.
Huh? We just need to pull it back in.
Yeah, but I have to clear the backpack because it's all pushing there, you know.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
I'm sorry.
Maybe you
Everything
put.
is okay, guys?
Yeah, we're just yes.
You have to push. Yeah.
We're there. Yeah, we're good. Thank you very much. Okay.
Maybe you put the camera there and I fix
Yeah.
that.
You fix that, and I'm gonna still like walk around and explore. Okay. Sorry, Hugo. But that was fun anyway. I think it was kind of fun. I'd say. Okay. We have door number 1 that is obviously closed. Oh, bullet. Okay. We have a clock. We have a clock with the time. Anything under? Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I didn't know I can't touch it. Oh shit. Okay, we're good. I'm sorry. My apologies. Okay. Anyway, so what about here? The door closed. Oh, the fuck is this? There is something very weird. How was your backpack?
I tried to fix it.
You can do it. I believe in you. There's so many rooms. Oh, a piece of paper.
I think I fixed.
Well done. Well done, Hugo.
But I think I cannot hold the stuff anymore.
Why?
It's too full.
Oh no. Well, it's okay, I guess. I'm taking out for now everything that we have in here. Just so we don't have to do it anymore. Okay, look what I've got. Look what I have. I have here a lock with a heart and the rest of the card thingies. I don't really... Oh, this is the coolest lock I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. You see? You have to push it in a different way to actually tell which way is the perfect way. You see? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr.
Can you
Hugo.
give me the white thing?
The white?
Yeah.
Pretty tough. Very fidget spinner. Yeah, you're doing good. Oh no, you forgot the cup. That's okay, you can just leave it here.
No, what?
I'm just kidding. I just want to know your reaction. That is not the numbers of the cards, it's just the cards. But I guess we have to figure that out here somewhere. I'm gonna tell you everything I know now, Hugo. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I don't know, I don't think even I can laugh at this situation. Because at the same time it's kind of funny, but at the same time it's sad. Oh, it is fine now.
Yeah.
It is fine.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so look, I'm gonna show you what we have now to do. So here, there is all kind of different colors right there. You see?
It's the cards from blackjack.
Yeah. So and we have this. I don't really know what to do exactly with these pictures.
Yeah, here's
yeah, but that's the only one in here. But the rest there's
I'm not
missing.
sure here also.
Yeah, but
they're hidden maybe, you know?
I don't know about that. They have here something, but I don't think it makes anything.
She's creepy.
Yeah, she is. Loki, she's pretty though. She's pretty creepy. Then there's
That's a potion.
Yeah, but I don't really know what to do about it.
What is here?
You can open the door and see. Not far, you can tell for sure. From this.
But can you open it?
I don't think so. And we also, for some reason, we have a piece of paper.
Where?
Right there. Piece of paper and a pen.
We can
Write
play
something.
tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
What the person does who loses?
You won. Oh, I don't know.
How did I win?
No, you didn't win. That's a tie.
You think? I don't know what to,
Yeah.
I don't know why I did that.
It's a tie.
What if it's a tie? Then what are we gonna do? Let's punch each other because it's a tie.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
Like 100%?
Yeah. Okay, can I also 100%?
Ooh, not that hard, not that tough. Okay. Shall we do another one?
Yeah, okay. But maybe they're waiting.
Okay. Anyways, so we have to, like, we have it here right there. What the fuck are we supposed to do with this one?
Can you light? Can you light?
Yeah. Do you see what we have? And to move it, you gotta move a different direction.
Oh, I know it. Wait. Look, we have here, oh, what's your thing? We have here this, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, nine. I'll put it back.
I have to fix it when we just put it in some.
Yeah. I'll put it the way so it doesn't fall out again.
Oh, mein Lüfter ist schon wieder kaputt gegangen. I think
I
it's
put
light.
it. I put it.
Okay.
So what?
Yeah, this is a symbol. This also. Maybe.
I don't know. I wish I knew. But do we have to do anything with the watch? Because the watch is right now at...
Focus and another padlock.
It's right here. Another.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8.
6, 7.
Yes. So, and maybe we'll have to count cards. I don't know. How many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What?
Look.
What?
Maybe 1, 5, 1, 5.
No shit!
Yeah, but just press it when we see a card. You know?
But you don't see it.
Yeah. Look at here. There are
You mean
cards, right?
cards. But they're...
And then we push 3. Then there are also cards. 4. There's no cards.
No cards. Yes cards.
Card.
Yes cards. No cards.
Cards. Is there a card? I don't know. No, I think.
Yes, there are.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, but that was a good decision. It was a good decision. Okay. Let's do the same, but with something else.
We can also do it switched.
Oh, maybe we need the one with the girl.
What?
Maybe we need to count the girl. So don't touch these. Touch this one. Touch this one.
Okay. Okay.
Touch that one and touch
Okay,
this
which one?
Okay, so 3, 4, 6, 10. You gotta press here, no?
Oh my god, and then... I didn't know. Yeah, then we have to do the other thing also.
I don't know, I don't think so. I don't think so.
But then we have with the cards, you know?
Maybe the potion is supposed to make sense because like what there's a big potion right there. But we have to find something from these pictures. Make the same again, the one that we did before.
Yeah, I do it right now.
It's tough with one hand. Let me just try to do it with 2. It is working!
Yeah?
I think so. It's almost working.
No.
Okay. Okay, then...
Chat, habt ihr irgendeine Idee? Chat, wir brauchen euch jetzt.
We were so close.
Are you sure there are cards?
I swear to God we were so close because it was almost coming out. It was almost coming out. It was so... Now it doesn't come out anymore at all. You see?
Give me. I think we're...
So we have to put it the same thing again. Put number 3.
Yeah.
Number 4. 5. 6. 6.
6?
6.
Yeah, well, 6, 7, 8.
Why 7?
7 here.
There is no girl there.
With the girls.
Yeah.
But I thought with the cards.
Ah.
Okay. 3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
6.
Yes.
That
10.
was it. 10?
Yeah. 10. And now let's try. Yeah. It doesn't work anymore.
But where's the girl there? Oh, there.
Yeah, she's right here. Okay, whatever. Which?
It's 5 pictures.
It's 10. It's 10 pictures.
No, she said 5, maybe 5 also, but because there's also a girl. Or not?
No, she said it's 5 pictures.
5 pictures?
5 pictures of what there is like on 5 pictures. Or maybe you're right, the cards.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. Yeah, let's do this. Look.
3, 4,
3,
6, 7, 8.
Yes.
Nee, 9.
It's not working. Maybe we need to find a cat.
Bro, ich check es nicht. Ja, Karten, nur die Karten. Ich dachte auch.
Huh?
Just the cards, but
Okay, so 5 of these cards, they belong to the same group.
maybe we have to turn it, you know, to not press where the cards are, just press the other ones, you know.
But that makes no sense.
But I don't know. 1, 2, 5.
No, the picture I almost dropped down is not. It's not a thing. It's not a thing. It doesn't somehow. Work with them. Unfortunately, let's ask for help. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. We were wondering. We need another hint.
Do you want a clue?
Yes. Yes. How do you use the walkie-talkie? It's not working.
Yes, we need the code.
Do we? No, we can do it though.
No.
Okay. She's not gonna give
The
us
Queen
that.
of Hearts has an army of...
What?
What?
The Queen of Hearts has an army of hearts. So we have to do the hearts instead.
Here's the army.
Yeah, this is heart. This is the queen. This is heart right here. This is heart. But I don't see where the 5th one.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Do you see the 5th one? Do you see the 5th one?
Yeah. There's a heart.
Yeah, but that's I'm not
3.
sure.
There's a heart 4.
Yeah.
Then this is also a heart because of the hair.
Yeah.
5. There's also a heart.
Wait, what do you mean 5? How is that 5?
No. This is 5 because of the shape of the hair.
Okay.
Then here's also.
It's almost coming out.
Bro,
So we have to put just one more. Escape rooms are so hard. Okay. Only hearts. Where are the hearts here?
Guys, look for the last picture and the right side.
Okay.
Wie bitte?
The last picture on the right side.
The last picture.
What is it here? Maybe on the left. Wait, no, he said right?
No.
Did he say right? By the logbook. Behind you.
Oh, she said with
Yeah, but she doesn't have a number. That's tough.
Bro, ich habe keine Ahnung. Ich bin so... That's
Maybe we can give up on the quests and go to the other one party. I'm too bad at this.
Yeah.
I didn't know it's going to be that tough.
What numbers are you putting on the bottom?
Was?
On the padlock.
We put... Can you press? We put 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 5.
Okay, 8 and 5 are not correct. So you need to choose the pictures with cards.
Hi, sorry, I have a question. Is it possible to leave the escape room?
Yes, it's possible.
Thank you, we're just not so smart for some reason.
Do you want to leave? Sorry.
Yes? Yes?
Okay.
This shit is tough as fuck. I thought we're gonna get a little smarter, but for some reason I just feel like we're just not so smart, to be honest. Or do you want to not leave?
No, but they can they give us the code and then the explanation why?
Okay, hold on. Sorry, excuse me?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Maybe instead of us leaving, could you please tell us a code?
And
an explanation? Yeah. Yeah. We surrender, just like the people who surrender.
Okay. Can you hold the camera there? Maybe I think I know it, but
we're having people coming over us.
Yeah.
I see.
I tried one last time. 3, 4. 3, 4.
She said the last two numbers are bad, though. You know,
I think it
for
must
some
be
reason.
this.
Because you guys are not helping at all with solving the escape room, and my brain is not working after all. Oh, is it the woman coming?
Yeah.
Hi, could you please explain to us what the thing is working?
Yes, you need to select the pictures and
Yeah.
cards.
With cards?
Yes.
Yes.
But I had the 3,
3, 4,
3, 4, yeah, 6,
7.
and
But there's also a card or not?
no.
Wait, but it's not cards?
No cards, no card.
Okay, then can we...
Okay, but...
Okay.
Okay, one is missing, not...
Okay, and put the right side.
No, it's not working. Oh my god.
How much time do we still have? 37 minutes?
Yes.
Do you want to continue? When we got this one, maybe it will be easier?
Yes,
It will be easier?
more easy.
Okay, then can we...
Okay,
yes, thank you. We're good. We're not going to surrender. We're not surrenders. Can I do this now? Yeah, because you're way too smart. Can I try it now?
Not smart.
You are very smart. You could solve this thing. Okay, now we solve this one. So this is what we have all over. We're not gonna give up. This is 5, this is 4, this is 2, this is what the fuck is this number? Okay, so this is what we've had.
Yeah, you have to put it together.
Oh wait! Wait a minute. Is that the code from the thing? What is this for, first of all? And what is this for? So look, maybe. So look, this is 2, this is 5, this is 4. And what? The fuck is green and yellow?
You have to... Can you...
Yeah, we are no quitters. We just needed a little help.
Maybe I know.
How do you know?
Maybe the color code, you know?
Oh shoot.
We have 5, we have 2, we have 4. And no, it's like no...
He said it's going to be easier this time. I believe him. I really do. Maybe there's something else in the picture. Oh, maybe twist the picture. Hugo, faster. Okay.
I already twisted. But maybe...
Twist all of them.
Why? There's nothing.
No, what if something? You don't know.
Maybe it's...
But look, only 4 directions in here.
2... It's
There
a
are
heart.
5.
It's a heart.
And this is a heart too. No?
You need to see the clues in the drawers.
What?
She said we need to see clues in the drawers. Do you see something in the drawers?
No.
You can take off.
What?
What take off?
Take off? Do we have to take off clothes?
Right now? Oh wait!
Oh my god! Oh my! No, it's a door! It's a door! Oh no! 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 No!
What do we take off?
Drawers.
Drawer? What is drawer?
It's the drawer right here.
Yeah.
It's the drawer. Yes. Bro, it's the drawer. We can take off the drawer.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
But all of them?
I guess so. Look, wait, this is what we have, and this was at the bottom right here. You see? This one is empty.
Nothing.
Yeah. Oh, this one.
That's
Oh,
3.
3. Oh. And then, and that's probably like empty one, right? Yeah. With one-handed stuff. Yes. Okay, so this is what we've got right here. And we have these numbers right here. So we just match it like this. Look, come here, Hugo. This one is here. This one is where?
Yeah, it's a heart, I know.
Good job.
But,
Good job.
but what are we doing?
I don't know. We just do it for now, and then later we figure out what it means.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
This is here. This is here. And this is here. Okay, well, I guess it's that. Easy peasy.
But what now?
What?
Ah, oh my god, I know.
What
oh my
do you
god,
know? 1, 2, 3,
Hold.
4, and 5. Bro, that's simple, like fucking hell. Take that thing. Okay, number 1 is yellow. Fuck is yellow.
1, then 2 is the heart.
2, it's the heart. 3 is the heart as well.
Yeah.
Then 4 is this one. I have no clue what that is. Like right here.
Yeah.
And the 5th is the other one. The hard black heart.
Doesn't work.
Let me try. Oh, sorry. I have a very low battery on my phone. It's about to die.
Yeah, my phone is also very low.
That's okay. Okay, so once again, this is number 1. 1, 2 is the heart. And then 3 is the heart. And then 4. I have an idea how to do it. Wait, 1?
Yeah, I also tried, but it's broken.
Okay. Okay, whatever. Anyways, these can we erase? Okay, again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my god, I think you do the right thing.
But it's just not working.
But
Where does
maybe we have
the
to reset
music?
here.
Oh, I don't think it's how it's done.
Okay. Then I have 1. What is 2? 1, 2.
That is smart. 3 is also the heart. I don't think it should be that tough. Then 4 is the... If you're gonna do it, I swear to God.
Was it 3 or 4 times now? I forgot.
It's 4.
But
3. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be that tough.
5 is...
I think we just have to reset it.
Yeah.
We gotta press it to reset it. Where is the music? We want the music. It's not anymore cool.
The padlock you need to press 2 times, twice, 1, 2.
What?
We gotta press it twice.
What? Press it twice. Move it and then press maybe.
Press where?
Yeah, I don't know.
You said we need to press it twice?
We have to press it to reset.
We have to press it twice to reset it.
Yeah, but I don't know where.
You need to press twice to reset the padlock.
But where? Where?
Maybe here. Now it's reset. Let's try it. Number 1 here, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Bitch. I'm not sure.
Oh my god, bro! Oh my god!
You need help.
I'm not sure about that.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Bro, bro, you shouted so loud. Oh my god!
Is it weird?
Just one time.
Yes, here. What do we do to reset it?
You need to press 2 times.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, thank you very much, Rabbit. Loki, thank you very much. How are you doing today?
Oh my god!
Thank you, Rabbit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Dann was? Ja, er kommt jetzt auch nicht mehr raus. And
What is what we have? Right here.
Oh no, that's no.
Oh my
Rabbit,
god.
you know
The
it.
Alice.
You know it.
The Alice, you are helping. Alice.
Alice, that's Alice.
It's not me. I'm toxic.
No, that is Alice.
Okay, the rabbit is.
No,
What about her?
she's Alice.
And
Alice
what?
And, oh my god, the clock.
Yeah, no shit. I saw it.
For the picture of Alice.
There is something in here. Something equals. What's the numbers then? 4?
That's omega left and right is 5.
5. I thought so. Yeah. So we gotta put it on. Where is the numbers?
There's omega, but I don't know.
There's oh, here.
We have a paper now.
Here. Look.
What?
Yeah, that's how it works. This and this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now?
And now we know how to spell the text.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you.
You need to divide in 2 groups now. Okay?
Yes.
Oh.
We need to divide with him into groups.
Yes.
What?
You have the two.
I have to split.
Yes.
Oh. We have to split.
Okay. Sure?
Yes.
GG's. Life wasn't
But
preparing. Where is the pen?
The pen?
Yeah,
I don't know. Where's the pen?
it's right there. It's right here. Okay, so let's just try to write something in here. Okay. God damn, this is hard as hell text. Okay, maybe chat can help. Maybe chat can help as well.
Yeah, but that's not that deep.
It's not that deep. So it is a Y. U.
No, you have.
It is U.
It's D
Why is it D?
because there.
But it's right here.
Oh, sorry.
U. Then V. We. L, I guess.
Will, yeah.
Yeah.
You write it there. Oh, wait, I write it.
Thank you.
You will?
Yeah, you will.
Have?
You will have, yes. 2.
To?
You will have to.
D.
Oh, that's tough. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay.
D.
You will. Okay, whatever. Bro, you can't. You
Dive? No.
No? Okay.
Divide.
Divide.
Divide. You have to divide.
Okay, perfect.
Oh shit, wait. Yeah. There's into.
Literally, it says we need to divide into 2 groups, I think.
but you said it. Er hat es einfach verarscht.
Alright, thank you, I guess. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. So, who is gonna go with the rabbit? Do you wanna go?
Now.
I have 2% on my phone.
I have 14. Which?
How many times?
What?
Listen, how many times?
Oh. 3.
Yes.
3.
3.
3.
You need knock.
Ah.
Okay.
For open the door. Yes. Keep going.
Oh, okay.
Let me.
Good. It's open.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh.
Two keys.
Which one do you want?
I want this one.
Okay.
Good luck.
Okay.
Okay. Then.
Then I'm gonna see you later.
Yeah. See you later.
So don't die.
Don't die either.
All right, I'll try.
Okay, go
What if it's
there.
not mine?
Okay, I think we have to switch. Oh, maybe not. No.
Wait.
It's
Oh,
Heilige Scheiße.
choose.
Ciao.
Oh my god. Bye bye. Hugo.
Das fühlt sich hier an wie Squid Game. Oh mein Gott. Oh, Bro. Is this your hand? What the fuck? Bro. Why is here a hole? Bro.
Do the same.
Bro. What the fuck?
Do the same.
Au! Sie haben mich gebissen.
Okay, what do you have?
Okay. Was müssen wir jetzt hier machen? Also ich gebe dir eine Hose. Ich kann die nicht rausreißen.
Hello.
Oh, hallo.
You need a clue?
Ja?
Oh my god.
Diese Box?
There is a...
Squid Game. Oh. Okay, ich check. Warte, ich glaube, ich muss hier so Hinweise mit der Hand geben.
You need to work together.
Oh, we do?
Yes.
Hugo. I found a lock, but it has...
Oh, gimme!
No, it's big in the big box.
Gimme!
It's in the big box, Hugo. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers.
I have here.
Yeah, maybe at your place you have 5
I have a
numbers.
circle. I have a triangle.
I also have triangles and circles and a lot
But
of...
you have numbers there?
Huh?
You have numbers?
Yes.
Yeah, then. Also, I have a circle first. I have a circle first.
What are you talking about?
You have to put the code in that I am going to say you.
Yeah, but I have numbers.
Yeah, but under these numbers you have symbols?
No numbers.
Oh.
Yeah, but I also have a lot of watch.
I have a ladder.
Huh? Oh shoot.
Ich check hier gar nichts.
We're the worst explorers in this, I swear to God.
Give me the key.
From my place?
Yeah. What? Hä? Was ist das für ein Schlüssel?
I have books.
Wait. Is this the key from your door?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bro. What is like with the numbers? What do we have to do? Okay.
Oh my god, I have A, B, C, A plus B plus C plus D is...
Wait, hold on. Do you have, listen, I have a clock. You have symbols, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles.
4 circles. Okay, okay. 4 circles. Yeah, then the first number is 4.
Okay, perfect. Then 1, 2 triangles.
Triangle is the second number.
2.
Yeah, 2.
Okay, next is a square. 1, 2, 3. Actually, could be or 3 or 4.
Yeah, that's the third number, and then a house.
A house.
A house symbol.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay, look, the house is 1.
You have it?
Yeah, it's 1.
Ich muss so kacken gerade.
The gold is correct.
Scheiße. I have to shit, guys.
The gold is correct.
I have to shit.
Okay, wait, so hold on. Hugo,
Yeah?
let's go again. I'm gonna tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles. 1, 2, 2 rectangles. Oh, yes, triangles.
Or maybe it's the ladder. I have here also a code for a ladder.
What?
A ladder.
What, Lena?
Ladder to climb.
Oh. You need letter?
Yeah, ladder.
The code is for the green box.
Do you, Hugo?
Yeah?
You're trying to open a green box?
The green box? Which green box?
Oh,
Oh, there's a green box. Oh.
I don't know. Check behind the furniture, green box.
Oh, yeah. But you have the code?
Yeah.
4?
Okay, so 4 circles.
Yeah?
Oh wait, not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles.
5 circles?
Yes. 2 triangles.
Mm-hmm.
Then 1, 2, 3. 3 squares.
Yeah?
And 1 house.
Yeah, it's open.
Oh, thank God. What is inside?
Okay, now there are symbols. A cup. Oh Gott, mein Englisch versagt hier gerade. A cup, then a bigger cup for tea, then teas, then a spoon, and then a hat.
Yeah, I have all of these things here, but I don't have a hat.
No, the cycle.
What? I mean, I have it here, but I don't... Oh, could you? No, repeat it.
Okay, a small cup.
Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Then a tea cup, a bigger one.
Okay, Hugo, what is... Okay. Okay, hold on. So, the bigger one, right?
What?
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the bigger one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Then teas.
The fuck is tease?
Like when you smile, cheese.
What?
Like when you smile, the thieves.
Peas?
Say cheese and then you tease, you know?
Okay.
Like a smile, it's a smile.
Okay. Next.
Next one is spoon.
The who?
Spoon. When you drink soup.
Okay. Okay.
And then the last one is a hat from a magician.
I don't have magician hat around here.
Also ich versuche mal die Kamera da durchzustecken.
You need to sit in the chair.
Okay. Oh.
No!
What happened?
I have no... Oh no!
What?
I don't see anything. It's dark.
I don't see anything either.
I have symbols.
I don't have anything. What symbols do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five times the teeth. The smile.
Hugo, I have no clue. I am like completely in the darkness.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait. Did it come back?
Yeah.
Okay. I still don't have the light. Oh no, I have it. Never mind. So
wait.
Hold on, Hugo. Could you please? What happened when the light went off?
What?
What happened when the light went off?
The light went off and I saw symbols that I don't see when the light is on.
Oh, what are these symbols?
Like the symbols that I called you right now.
Okay, tell me again the symbols, okay?
Yeah?
Okay, tell me the symbols.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5. 5 times the smile.
What?
The smile 5 times.
Okay. And that's it?
No, then one spoon.
1 spoon, okay.
Then 1 hat. No, 2 hats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, 5? What? So again, 5?
5, 5 smiles, 2 hats, 1 spoon.
Do you have more?
What?
Do you have more?
No. I have 1 spider smile. I don't know.
No idea, bro. Okay. So I really don't know what it's supposed to mean. But I don't know where the smiles are coming from. You mean like smile with teeth?
Yeah, the teeth, yeah.
Maybe you have anything to give to me?
Ich gehe jetzt einfach rüber.
Because what is this for? Yeah.
You can change the room.
You can't what? You can't what?
To change. You can trade the room.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
If you can, you can go to the other room.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
What the hell are you guys? There's a.
I don't know.
The hell? Oh shit, man! What the hell? That is crazy. You have a ladder.
Yeah. But I don't know. I can put how I put the light on off.
You gotta sit in the chair.
What?
You gotta sit in the chair.
Okay, I leave the camera here.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Okay, you go the other way. Here, this is what I had, and I don't know what it is.
This is from the other room.
Yeah, but I think it's for. Where did you see these numbers? You know, that was like.
There are the symbols.
Yes.
And when the light turns off, you see symbols.
Yes. The fuck? I'm not. What the hell? Oh, I mean, it's what the hell?
Yeah, it's a smile, right?
Yeah, but the other room doesn't have it. I mean,
No?
good luck. Here.
Thank you.
Yes. I can say to you again of how it is. Hello. Okay, this is what we've got here. There's another one right here. I guess we'll have to open it again. And there's oh shoot. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell you. There is 1 spoon and
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smiles.
Yeah, thank you. I also saw it.
You're welcome. And 1 hat. Does it make sense? I know, 2 hats. Never mind. 2 hats. Oh my God! What is that disco? You find something? Oh wait, there's another code. What the fuck? What the hell is this code? A B C D.
Oh!
Does it hurt?
No.
Okay. Why are you simulating then? So look, there's A, B, C, D. So then there's like C is B plus Fucking mathematic, bro. Listen, Hugo.
Can you say on the walkie-talkie they have to give us hints?
Could you please give us a hint? So there is A, B, C, D. C is B plus 2. Then the fuck is that? Goddamn, I wanna die. It's insane. How is this mathematics supposed to do? How is this supposed to work? Hugo, could you please sit down on the chair?
Yeah.
Okay, stand up. Okay, bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I know how you get the letter.
How?
You see where the letter is?
Yes.
There is A, B, C, D, right?
Yeah.
Okay, put in first number 3.
A is 3.
The first number is 3.
Okay.
The
C. Okay. What is the B?
B is 2.
Okay.
I have to look.
No, B is wrong.
B is wrong.
Okay.
B is 6, bro. What the hell?
Bro, bro.
C is 8. And then D is 4. Easy, bro. Oh no, it did not open. What's the number 1? The first one, 3?
The first one is 3, yeah.
Okay. 6 plus 2, 8. I did it, I got the letter.
Nice, but what now?
Huh?
But what now?
I don't know, I guess we have to get on top now. Here. But I'm not sure. But maybe. We can get here. I'm not sure. But maybe here. Yeah, there's like a letter right there. And we can open the gate with the key, but we need the key. But oh my god, can you stop that? Bro, you're diabolical. Did you find anything else?
No.
We need to open that thing.
What thing?
We have to open the thing.
What thing?
The little case that I gave you.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, let's try to open it.
You have to come with the ladder with the ladder.
Do you want me to come with the leather?
Yeah.
I don't think. Do you need it?
You need the ladder for the code, I guess.
No. I think you need the code to get to the top.
I give you.
You need the code to get to the top of the ladder, you dumbass. Hello to all of the gooners around here. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Okay, so look, you see this like tuberculosis box?
Yeah, this one. But
Yes.
I think you need the ladder for the code.
No, you don't need. You need to find it without the letter. We have the letter already, but letter is needed for different stuff. I think. But I'm not sure though. You know?
There are many clocks here.
Yeah, it is, and they're all different shapes.
Yeah.
Where did you have the shape?
Oh my god! Oh.
Did you have the shape anywhere?
No, you used it from. It was under the box. The shapes.
Okay.
I give you last time.
We can ask for the clue. Here it is. The chat probably thinks we're so dumb. You know?
It's very difficult.
It is super difficult, I know, right? What are they saying? My phone is dead.
Mine is also.
Okay, what did it say?
Count the cups and teapots that will give you the next code.
I already did count it that it did not work.
And I saw this A.
Okay, count them. I'm gonna be right back.
Okay, what I have to count?
The teacups and the pots and everything, okay?
Oh.
And the smiles, but the smiles are for. Oh my god, you dumb!
What?
Just kidding. I'm gonna be right back. You count, okay?
What?
I'm gonna tell you what
The cups? Okay.
Count the cups.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna count on my way something, and then I'm gonna tell you, okay?
Okay.
It's easy, bro. Why are we so stupid?
I don't know.
Okay.
Ich hab immer noch keine Ahnung, was ich hier mache.
Okay. Please turn out the. Oh wait, no. Count all of the caps. The first number is the caps.
The cups.
Yeah.
Okay, we have 1.
Count the caps.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, put the first number.
9.
Okay, now the teapots.
Do I have to put the number?
Teapots.
Teapots, we have 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4.
4 teapots?
4 teapots.
Even the small ones?
Yeah,
Oh, you sure?
yeah.
Okay, okay. Next is smiles.
But where are the smiles?
3. Only 3.
Only 3. There is no 4, there's 3.
What? 3 teacups?
Yeah, the second number is 3.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Could you please sit down on the chair?
Okay, yeah.
Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Hugo! 5.
Oh,
The next number is 5.
okay, 5. Yeah, 5, okay.
Then, could you turn off the light again?
Mm-hmm.
The last two symbols is present in the jewels.
Yeah, okay. How many spoons do you have on the table?
1, 2, 3. 3.
Okay, put 4.
4?
Yes,
Why?
because I have 1 spoon.
You have 1 spoon in your room?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah?
And now the last one, turn off the light for me.
Yeah.
1, 2. Okay, 2 hats. And then, can you count your hats?
My hats?
Yes. Mine was 2 hats. What about yours?
I have no hats.
Look at the wooden chair. Do you see any hats? Any hats?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. But maybe cupcake?
Yes, this wooden chair.
What?
I don't know. At the chair or something? There's gotta be something at the chair? I don't know. Maybe it's under the chair?
No, it's nothing under the chair.
We almost did it.
Oh.
Oh, 3. We have to put 3 now. The last one is 3. This is the last one, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
We have 0 communicational skills.
I have a key.
Now let's go and talk.
Okay, you can go for the other room, but you need to find the sword in this room.
So what, the sword?
The sword? The sword? I didn't understand. Did you say the sword?
Look the carpet.
Under the carpet.
Why we didn't look at the carpet in the first place? Bro, there is something under the carpet. There's a fucking...
But I have to give you through the hole.
It's okay.
Okay.
I can take it this way. Give me the key.
But, oh sure.
Do you want to go with me?
Yeah.
Yes, you can go together.
You can go together.
Kompliziert, nie wieder.
Come here, Hugo.
Yeah?
So here is your sword. Let's do swords fighting.
What?
Swords fighting.
I have no sword.
You do.
No.
You do.
Oh yeah, I have.
Let's do it.
No.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Take out the sword.
I have to take out my sword now.
To do sword fighting, obviously. How would you sword fight without a sword, you dumbass? Okay. Alright, so I guess this is what I'll have to do.
Yeah, we have to open the hole from the spider.
Am I now gonna fall?
No, I hold you.
You try. I can trust you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you sure?
Yeah. Wait. No.
Do I really have to, or I can...
Yeah, you have. No, you have to. Okay. Now you have to go through. I can help you.
Push. Boom.
Now you have to go there.
With the sword.
Maybe.
Okay, I think we have to go both of us. So it's gonna be tough. Okay, let me go first, and I'm gonna tell you if that's possible to go or no. Okay, if I die, tell my mom that I loved her. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, we have to go both of us together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But in the original,
No, we just take the sword.
Okay.
I guess we might need to find someone, but I'm not sure. But I think we have to like get up here, but it's so scary. I'm kind of scared. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hugo, bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Oh, maybe I'm gonna go alone.
Yeah, I think you have to go alone, but with the sword.
Are you sure you don't want to come? I think you. Maybe I can open the door for you.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
You want to take the camera?
There's kind of like a stripper kind of pole.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay. You want to take the camera?
Yeah, no, it might fall.
Okay. I go to the other room.
Okay, so I don't know if I can. Oh my god. Excuse me, is it actually safe to go down that pole?
I want also to look.
Yes,
You want to see? LMAO. Okay, so this is the room right here.
What the fuck?
I guess I'm gonna go.
You have to go there down.
Where did I put the sword?
Just throw it. Yeah.
I don't think I can. Okay, I'm just gonna put it. Okay, choose.
Bye.
Okay, Hugo, I'm scared. Okay. Oh shoot, man. The rabbit was already in the queen of the of hearts castle, Alice, and what the fuck is this shit? Really? Oh, what?
Okay, ich muss mich hier retten. She has to rescue. Yeah.
So like there is
I think you have to type cock.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
C-O-C-K.
Yeah, but that's like there's numbers.
Oh. Maybe then.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, but how could I open my friend?
Yes. Normally, the other group need to open this door.
Yeah.
You need to see the phrase and the numbers in the phrase.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 5.
Chat.
Just wait. 5, 4,
Wie geht's euch, Leute? Gut?
9.
Yes.
Yeah!
Well done, again.
We were
Nice.
fastest?
1 hour and 20 minutes.
1 hour and 20 minutes is crazy.
We were supposed to do only an hour.
Yes.
Thank you very much for letting us do it
Thank
for
you.
longer. We appreciate that.
No
Thank
problem.
you. Okay.
Where's the...
Where's the exit? Yeah, it's right. It's very cool, but you need to think. We almost gave up, especially Hugo.
What?
He was like, I want to give up.
No, that's
I don't know how to do shit. I'm like, bro, get your shit together. Like, it's not that deep, right? And I was like,
It's the language, it's the wall.
Yeah, language is wall.
yes. What?
The language is a wall.
Yeah, it's a barrier. You know, it's a
Barrier,
language
yeah.
barrier. It's hard to understand, each other, and it's hard to like just be, just exist. Hold on.
You can take a picture. Some headers.
Oh. We love taking pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do picture then party. Can I have a hat? Do you want me to be the bunny ears?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But wait. Why we have to blindfold us in the room?
Yeah, arigato.
Okay. Can we take?
Are you not gonna have a hat or anything?
What?
Are you not gonna have a hat or anything?
I have a knife.
Oh shoot. That's right.
Oh, that's good.
The clock is cooler.
I saw the clock.
Yes, we would like to take. Also, could we please take a picture on my little thing right here? Thank you for letting us stay a little longer. So, like a viewer.
No. No, please.
Why it didn't work with the flashlight? I'm sorry. One more time, please.
Nein, bitte nicht.
One more time, okay? Now, just do something, okay?
But I have no hands free.
You just put this hand. We're dumb. Put your hand here. Oh my god, my flash died. Okay, that's fine. Bro, you're like so constipated. What's wrong with you? Thank you very much. Okay.
No,
Okay.
don't watch it.
I watched it. It's crazy cringe.
Oh, ich möchte gerade im Boden versinken. Ich hasse Fotos machen. Ich hasse Fotos machen. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, Hugo, you can go for now outside, and then I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. See you later.
I go out now?
I'm gonna get out a little later. I'm gonna go to the bathroom too. Okay?
Okay. Easy.
Okay. Perfect. Just see you around.